Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word apologist. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The politician was quickly labeled an apologist for the controversial policy, as he defended it vehemently in his speeches. An apologist is someone who defends or supports a particular belief, idea, or policy, often in a rational or reasoned manner. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.